Good day, Professor Karin Gansho. Today, I will discuss to you or I will present to you my output in BR223 Interactive Broadcasting. So I have here three studies for discussion. Let's start with the first one, social media skits reshaping the entertainment experience of broadcast audience. First point, the introduction of social media goes beyond an addition to the stable of mass communications channels. Social media opens up another platform for the entertainment function of the broadcast media to be delivered. The audience begin to adapt to the new ways the social media delivers entertainment. It alters the way we feel, think, learn, and perceive toward entertainment. Therefore, the new technology does not only bring change to the audience, but to the entire society. Next point. The audience often have preference for entertainment. The broadcast media gratify or fulfill the entertainment needs by providing relaxation and escape from the reality through general programming. So these forms of entertainment include films, soap operas, dramas, comedy and talk shows, documentaries, animation, and skits. So one of the forms of entertainment that has transcended the broadcast media into the social media is skit, a short comedy sketch that is often delivered in video formats. Next point, the emerging reach of skits in the age of social media has brought about a change in audience media consumption habit, expectation, and control production for entertainment. Social media has features that shape their use among practitioners and audience. So with the connection to the internet, skits can be consumed on the go, anytime and anywhere, which eliminates the boundary of traditional broadcast. It also allows audience develop a social community on social media. Let's proceed to the next study. Media practitioners and public opinions on interactive broadcast TV shows in Africa, Citizen TV in Kenya, and Movie TV in Zambia. First point, filtering views of opinions in public interest if not in the interest of time. So it is impossible for interactive show hosts to accommodate all opinions because of time constraint. So one should look for what makes sense, select messages that reflect or move the conversation along. Simple, you should look for the quality of participation. Next point, media environment has become increasingly networked and converged. So the mainstream news media in Kenya and Zambia, the two countries involved in the study, are influenced by political and social cultural environment, and owners are politicians, and the ownership are usually in the business people or in the elite ruling people. Next point, media practitioners' attributes such as training, experience, conviction, and preparedness play a significant role on design and conduct of shows. So journalists try to portray themselves as fair, objective, and neutral. So as a future media practitioner, this is very interesting for me because I need to learn, I need to practice being fair, objective, and neutral regardless of any topic. And then when a media figure comes out as strong, it adds to the significant role of the media practitioner on the design and conduct of shows. Okay, let's proceed to the last study. Factors affecting the popularity of video content on live streaming services, focusing on VLive, the South Korean live streaming service. Okay, the first point. The demand for live streaming services has increased due to global social network service providers. So what are these global social network service providers? These are Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube that offers live streaming services. So there is an outstanding demand from the audience for entertainment, which which applies the distinctive feature of live streaming service that is real time. We can interact and communicate with our friends, family, and even our favorite stars online in real time. Next point, interactive communication is impossible in traditional broadcasting networks, but it is possible on live streaming services. Why? Because on live streaming services, there is a direct communication between streamers and viewers. It also facilitates bonding and create a social community. So we take for example, I am the streamer and you as a viewer. So you shared or you commented or you reacted on my video, and I should respond with being thankful or grateful for your participation on my video. Last point, the degree of viewer engagement is one of the measurements to evaluate the performance of the video content. So this is very simple. The higher the number of comments, hearts, and views that particular video content has, the more popular it is. So it is very important to have a degree or to have a positive viewer engagement on your video content. So that ends my presentation. Thank you, and God bless us all.